In today's video, we are going to show you how to add extension repositories to Cloudstream so you can unlock more sources and improve your streaming experience. Let's begin. Now, open the Cloudstream app on your device. If this is your first time, make sure you already have the Cloudstream installed and set up. Or you simply click the download now button, and then what will happen is you'll be forwarded to the download link. You have three options here. You can download the stable, which is the updated side, the pre-release, or the old versions. It's up to you. Once you have downloaded the Cloudstream APK, the next thing that you need to do is add the repository. So you can simply go to the Cloudstream wiki where you can add and get stable and legit extension repositories. Okay? Once you've done that, tap on the add repository or extension repositories. You should see a field where you can paste a repository URL. Now, all I have to do is enter the repository link you want to add, for example, official or community Cloudstream repos shared on GitHub or trusted sources. After pasting the link, tap add or confirm. Once added, go back to the extension menus. Now tap refresh or update repositories, and this will load all the available extensions from the new repository you just added. Okay, you should now see a list of all the available extensions, and after installing, go back to the home screen and start browsing content from your new sources. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.